Opening and working with Primavera files on Excel is a complicated task. Imagine you can view your XCR files on Excel without the need to use Primavera. That's exactly what Ronga allows you to do. Bridging the world's largest spreadsheet software, Excel and Primavera P6, and taking your productivity to a whole new level. To download Ronga, go to www.prevara.tech, then click on Download, and the download dialog will start immediately. The installing process is so easy, like any software. Click Next, agree to the terms of service and choose the installation folder. Once you finish the installation, open an Excel file and you will see a new tab called Ronga has been created. If you don't find an extra tab on Excel, all you got to do is go to the installation folder and run the VSTO file. Click Install and it's done. Let's dive in and view some of the powerful and easy features of Ronga. Import XCR files. No need for Primavera anymore to read XCR files. Now you can view the schedule straight from Excel. No need to worry anymore about sharing your XCR files in PDF or Excel file. Color by WBS. To start editing your P6 files, copy and paste your desired time schedule into an Excel file like that. Then, by using the feature of Color by WBS, you will quickly color your WBSs pasted in Excel on a single click. You can also choose the color that you want. Click on Settings, choose your desired color, click OK, and then click again on Color by WBS. Group by WBS. Group your WBS in Excel level-wise. You can view your schedule quickly at high level or create a summary for the management at various just like that. Within a single click on that button, you will create WBS levels based on your pasted time schedule. Gantt chart by shape. Once you are done with dates in Excel, use the Gantt chart by shape feature to create the Gantt chart by days, weeks, months or even years, using shape elements. To do that, click on Settings, change the first day of the week according to your project, choose the type of dates, click OK, then click on Gantt chart by shape. Gantt chart by cell format. This feature is smarter than the previous one. Instead of using shape elements, we will be using colored cells. Simply click on Gantt chart by cell format, and it will automatically create a Gantt chart by coloring the cells. Create WBS Dictionary. No more creating WBS Dictionary in Primavera P6 one by one. Use the Create WBS Dictionary feature to quickly create your desired WBS in Excel and upload to Primavera P6 directly. To do so, click on Create WBS, and it will open a template. First you need to enter your main code of the project. For example, we will use the code PR01. In that template, start typing your WBS under the level columns according to the structure you want. After you've created your desired WBS, click again on Create WBS, and save the XCR file. Open Primavera P6, and import the file as a project and you will see the WBS structure that you've created. And don't worry about mistakes, the software will correct you with prompts, just like this one. Create Resource Dictionary. Gone are the days when you were creating bulk resource dictionary by editing the XCR file manually. Use the Create Resource Dictionary feature to quickly create your resource dictionary in Excel and upload it to Primavera P6. To do this, simply click on Create Resource Dictionary button, and a template will be opened. Insert your desired resources according to the level you want. Assign its type and short name, and then click on Create Resource Dictionary to export an XCR file. Go to P6 and import that file as a resource file. You can also do the same for activities from the Activity Code Dictionary feature. Extract calendar. Extract all calendars in a Primavera P6 XCR file into an easy-to-read and understand native calendar view, highlighting all the standard working, non-working days, exceptions and holidays. Just click on Extract Calendar and the software will create a professional calendar like this one. Ronga, built by Planner for Planner. Stay tuned for more upcoming features and download now.